How to fix screenshots not working on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, click on motion and gestures and turn on plumb swipe to capture button. After turn on plumb swipe to capture, you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.